Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's June 12th, 2025, and out in one of the shipping containers. Yesterday I worked on two of the shipping containers. This is one of the ones. And I didn't screw that one down. No, I see. But I went ahead and put these boards together up in here yesterday. Moved all of these shelving units away. I've got one shelving unit that the wheels are pretty bad on. It's leaning over there, so I want to get to that one and see if I can get as much stuff unloaded from the shelves and up onto these shelves as possible. Organizing will have to take place later on, I guess. Right now it's just trying to make more room and keep things from getting any further damaged at all. So that's my plan. It's not supposed to rain today, but it is. It's doing a little light sprinkling out there right now, really overcast. Breezy and all. So I'm going to get started.
You bend and break to keep them near. Swallowed dreams disguise your fear. But in the mirror, who do you see? A fading shadow that used to be free. You chase their praise but lose your spark, giving pieces of yourself in the dark. But love that costs your soul to keep ain't the kind that's meant to be deep. Let go of the fear of them walking away. You were never meant to beg them to stay. You were born to shine, not to dim your flame. For people who can't even learn your name, be wary of pleasing at your own expense. Stand your ground, make your defense. Don't lose yourself just to be understood. You were made for more, for great, for good. You're not too much, you're just too real. For folks who can't handle the way you feel. Your truth is art, your heart is fire. Don't trade it in for their brief desire. They come and go, that's just their role. But you're the keeper of your soul. So speak your mind, hold your line. You'll find your people in due time. Let go of the fear of them walking away. You were never meant to beg them to stay. You were born to shine, not to dim your flame. For people who can't even learn your name, be wary of pleasing at your own expense. Stand your ground, make your defense. Don't lose yourself just to be understood. You were made for more, for great, for good. Peace comes when you stop the chase and take yourself back to a sacred place. No mask, no script, no need to pretend. The right ones that love you through the end. So let go of the fear, lift your head high. You don't need wings to reach the sky. You're enough as you are, don't shift your tone. You never feel lost when you're walking your own. Be wary of pleasing at your own expense. Let love be truth, not pretense. Don't lose yourself trying to hold their hand. Just plant your roots and take your stand. Take your stand.
Another spring, the snow has fled, but left a mist behind instead. 2 feet of green, a tangled mat, where broken limbs and stones lie flat. This ain't no suburban patch, no gentle stroll with sun on my face. This is acres, catch by catch, a wild and overgrown, unruly space. The rain just pours, the trees all shed, adding to the growing dread. Mowing day looms so large, a springtime chore, a heavy charge. But thank the stars just getting the job efficiently done. Some folks love the mower's drone, a quiet thought all on their own. They find their zen in every pass, a gentle dance upon the grass. But me, my mind's on other things. The workshop beckons, freedom sings. Ponds with beavers, cool and deep, secrets that the waters keep. Every minute on this seat is time I'd rather spend, can't be beat. Building, dreaming, setting free the craftsman deep inside of me. But thank the stars for old man Buzz, my Kubota, a roaring beast it was. Zero turn, it spins and bites, conquering all the grassy heights. Yeah, she'll bend a blade, maybe a few, but somehow always sees me through. No meditation, no peaceful hum, just getting the job efficiently done. From rocky outcrops hidden deep to soggy patches muddy and steep, she plows right through with power and might, turning chaos into a welcome sight. A cloud of dust, a trail of green, the hardest working mower I've seen. It ain't pretty, ain't always smooth, but Buzz and I, we always prove. But thank the stars for old man Buzz, my Kubota, a roaring beast it was. Zero turn, it spins and bites, conquering all the grassy heights. Yeah, she'll bend a blade, maybe a few, but somehow always sees me through. No meditation, no peaceful hum, just getting the job efficiently done.
We're blessed to live in paradise, with sunny skies and trees so nice. But there's one thing that gets me down, it's mowing this darn lawn all around. No, I don't like mowing my lawn. I'd rather see wildflowers at dawn. It takes too much time, and it's such a chore. But here I am on Buzz, my zero-turn mower. I'd love a meadow with flowers and bees, dancing in the breeze beneath the trees. But every now and then, without fail, I find myself on this grass trail. No, I don't like mowing my lawn. I'd rather see wildflowers at dawn. It takes too much time, and it's such a chore. But here I am on Buzz, my zero-turn mower. Oh, the hum of the engine, the smell of the grass, dreaming of a future where this task is past. With every turn I long to be free, running through fields wild and carefree. But since I have to, I'll do my best. Buzz and I will pass the test. We'll trim the edges neat and clean until my yard's a perfect green. No, I don't like mowing my lawn. I'd rather see wildflowers at dawn. It takes too much time, and it's such a chore. But here I am on Buzz, my zero-turn mower. Maybe one day I'll find a way to let the flowers have their say. But until then, I'll sing this song, 'cause no, I don't like mowing my lawn.
I wake up in the morning, sun shining down. Gotta take care of this old patch of ground. The grass keeps growing, it don't wait for me, but I'm a mowing man, got my buzz by my side, you see. I'm a mowing man, cutting grass like I do with my Kubota zero-turn buzz. We push through. I may not love this chore, but it's gotta get done. A man's gotta do what a man's gotta do, son. The wildflowers call me, dancing in the breeze, but the yard keeps on calling down on my knees. I dream of meadows where the flowers run free, but today it's me and Buzz, just him and me. I'm a mowing man, cutting grass like I do with my Kubota zero-turn buzz. We push through. I may not love this chore, but it's gotta get done. A man's gotta do what a man's gotta do, son. Every now and then I let it grow a bit wild, give those daisies and clover a chance to smile. But the time comes round when it's time to tame. The grass keeps calling my name. With Buzz, watching the world spin around, turning tall grass into a level, clean ground. It's not a love story, but it's gotta be done. A mowing man's work is never quite done. I'm a mowing man, cutting grass like I do with my Kubota zero-turn buzz. We push through. I may not love this chore, but it's gotta get done. A man's gotta do what a man's gotta do, son. Chores that don't quit, riding on Buzz, doing our bit. We may not love the job, but we see it through, 'cause a man's gotta do what a man's gotta do.
Well, today didn't go just as straight as I thought it would do. So this morning I first started off, Thea wanted to pot up some of the white oaks and thornless honey locust trees. So I dug those up, got those all set for her. and all. Then came down here and it started to rain, so I left the doors closed, and of course the video, well, it stinks because the camera, it was just too dark in here. But these are the shelves that I had gotten set yesterday, and trying to get some of these shelving units. So this is the wheels snapped on this shelving unit. But anyways, I was able to get some things moved around in here and somewhat organized. And it's probably too dark in here now, isn't it? Dang it, I'm so sorry about that. Well, anyways, I got this one set, and then it looked like it wasn't going to rain. So I went ahead and got on Buzz, the Kubota zero-turn ZD1211 diesel-powered lawnmower, and since the grass was getting so tall here, and look, here's another painted turtle right over here walking. They're all over. This is my third one today seeing. These are the little girls I mentioned before. Yeah, sure, cutie pie. So, I love turtles, in case you didn't recognize that. Turtles, frogs, all of them. So anyways, I got on Buzz, and since the grass was getting so tall again, I decided to get the area that was the tallest that I originally knocked down, I guess just a little over a week ago. And I used the Insta360 camera, so you can, I'll include a little bit of that footage, some of that footage as well, so you can see. So there'll be some mowing in this video. I don't know, I may include some of the stuff in here. It's just terrible when the lighting's terrible. Well, you know, I thought it was going to pour, and it didn't, but it just gets dark down in there like a dungeon. But I got some work done in there. The shelving units look good. I didn't get much else done. Today I wanted to get so much more done, but that's how things work out. So that's it for today's video, folks. I hope you folks are staying safe and taking good care of yourself and able to get outside and enjoy the fresh air, get out and enjoy nature. You know, here in the States, it's springtime. You know, it's spring going into summer, and gosh, we aren't getting that many real nice days so far this year. So I'm trying to take advantage of them when we get them. So anyways, stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and enjoy life. Bye bye now.